It's time to eat our monthly vegetables. Except I'm done tasting it, so I have a really smart plan.
Is the really smart plan to once again eat an entire pound of spinach? Okay, let's look at how much nutrition that is.
First, we dehydrate it for a long time. Now we're gonna crunch it up in the dust and then put them in pill capsules and then swallow them. These are vegan cellulose pills. We're gonna take this, close it in there. Boom, one. Let me grind them up a little bit finer. Much better. 127. 1 pound of spinach and pills. By the way, that took 32 minutes. Rad. That's rad. I can't even taste it. By the way, these are completely safe to consume.
It's safe, but 127 capsules is adding something like an additional 12 grams of soluble viscous fiber. So even though it's considered non-fermentable, it might not be a fun time later.
I'm a beast. I'm getting pretty full of water.
I imagine the rapidly rehydrating spinach in your digestive tract is also contributing.
This is 32. Dang. That was super efficient, was it not? 1 pound of spinach down. This video probably looked crazy from my neighbor's window.
Probably. Okay, what about the nutrients? 10 grams of fiber from the spinach plus about 12 from the capsules. 13 grams of protein, which is extra impressive when you consider this is only about 100 calories. In terms of vitamins and minerals, my dude exceeded the daily value for 7 of them. 1,827% of the daily value of vitamin K. That sounds like a lot, but vitamin K does not have a tolerable upper limit, and high vitamin K does not cause abnormal clotting. So as a once in a while thing, this is okay from a safety perspective, but he's probably only actually using a fraction of it. 1,415% of the daily value of vitamin A. This sounds like too much, but it is all coming from vitamin A precursor carotenoids. So in reality, that conversion is regulated and the body wouldn't end up making anywhere near that amount of vitamin A. 220% daily value of vitamin B9. That's probably mostly usable, and what isn't just will get peed out. 177% daily value for manganese. That's around a third of the tolerable upper limit, so not a concern. 142% daily value vitamin C. That's probably all usable. And it will aid absorption of the 123% daily value of iron. Yes, you have to eat that much spinach to get the daily value of iron. And finally, 100% daily value of magnesium. So the good news is that eating this much spinach does not hit toxic levels of any nutrient. And because I know someone will ask, the oxalates are also unlikely to be a problem, as long as my dude hydrates and doesn't have a rare genetic anomaly in oxalate metabolism. And if you like learning about what nutrients do, how much of them we need, and how much is too much and when we actually need to be worried, you will love my free weekly newsletter over on Substack.